Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's January 26, 2025, around 11:35, and it's I think it's like 32 degrees. It's pretty cold out here, but we have blue skies, so that's something right there. I like to see the sunshine. Makes me happy. Anyway, I'm down here watering the pigs and the goats, the chickens. Since I'm down here, Edith thinks I need to give her some extra food, some special green or something, or a snack. I don't know how you're ever going to get fat as much as you walk back and forth. Loud pig. Anyway, so far it's a nice day. Can't wait until spring.